Hi everybody, it's Lynn from Lynn's Craft Designs. Look what just arrived from Craspire. Oh my goodness. So this is, sorry, they should have already been opened, huh? Because we all know what kind of trouble I have opening these bags. This is the hair barrette mold. Sorry, I still can't see that. Oh my goodness. Four of it. Red glitter. Four elliptical and four hollow elliptical. Y'all know why I didn't take them out. It is the holidays, and oh my gosh, I have got a mess. And then the hair clips, both silver and gold, the rectangle and the oblong. And then this one, these are just the little nugget shape, not the big ones, but the little nugget shapes. They're actually in between, but it's a whole sheet of them. Oh my goodness. Pipettes, little finger cots, and a cup. And then this one, and I gotta open this one. Oh, first try. Okay. There's a little cup and the silicone tools. Tiny, tiny little pipettes. Finger cots. Looks like some gold and silver chain. This was one stuffed bag, let me tell you. A pair of needle nose tweezers. Those may possibly be the most pointed tweezers I've ever seen. And some metal leaf. Alright. Sorry, I'm just gonna try to keep putting it away. Or else we know what happens. And oh my goodness. This is literally just about every size of bead you could imagine. These are a larger size with the little nib that will create the hole. These are little cubes with no little nib. Those have lots of possibilities. Then these tiny little cubes. These big giant cubes. Oh, sorry. These middle-sized cubes. And these are even middler size. Okay. Then these are the middle-sized circles, spheres, beads. Oh goodness. These are the tiny size beads. Oh my goodness. I don't know why there are 5 different sizes of the squares and only 3 of the spheres. 4 cube beads, and then the cube without the hole. Alright, oh my gosh, so many possibilities. Alright, thank y'all so much for watching. I'll have the links for everything listed below. Thank you to Craspire so much, and bye for now.